but hello YouTube and welcome. In front of you are two compact impact drivers. On the left is the well-known Milwaukee M18 Fuel Generation 3. On the right is the all-new Parkside Performance PDSSAP version B3. By specifications, both machines provide a maximum torque of 226 Nm. They have 4 predefined torque levels and a Bluetooth connectivity. On the Milwaukee, it's called One Key and it's integrated in the power tool itself. You can monitor the power tool, but you cannot monitor the battery. On the Parkside, this feature is called Ready to Connect, and the Bluetooth module is integrated in the smart battery. You can monitor the smart battery, but in order to monitor the parameters of the power tool, you need a Ready to Connect enable power tool. The B3 version over here is such power tool. As you can see, the two machines are more than similar, and I might say that the Parkside is copying the Milwaukee. The body of the Parkside weighs, I might say, exactly 1 kilo, while the body of the Milwaukee is, let's say, absolutely the same, several grams more. As for the batteries, the Parkside Performance Smart Battery weighs exactly 1 kilogram, while the 8 tons per hour battery of the Milwaukee weighs a little bit more. Talking about batteries, I really like the design of the red lithium battery. It looks massive and it emits manliness. The plastic construction is rigid and there's even a metal reinforcement over here where the battery attaches to the power tool. On the other hand, the design of the Parkside Smart Battery is fine, but it's super fragile. I've even managed to crack it over here while still being in the cardboard box. Continuing with something that a viewer of my channel asked me, is it normal for the new Parkside model to be knocking when shaken? Yes, all power tools are knocking when vigorously shaken. There's some sort of a problem or maybe a design error in the control board of the Parkside model. When the trigger is fully pressed, the motor starts with a certain RPMs, but a fraction of the second later the RPMs go lower. I'm not sure if you will be able to hear it on the camera. The RPMs on the Milwaukee are all constant. According to Parkside, and same goes for the Milwaukee, the no-load rotation speed of the machines at the highest torque setting should be 3600 RPMs. Let's verify that. $3,700 for the Parkside. $3,500 for the Milwaukee. Those are the internals of the machine, and I have to admit I was expecting them to be more similar, but the truth is that they are quite different. The similarities are the two brushless motors with a Hall sensor, and as far as I can tell, the thickness of the copper wire is the same. The two motors are with 6 poles. The control boards are totally different. On the Milwaukee, we also have a Bluetooth module for the one key feature and an additional cell button battery over here, again for the one key. The housings of the hammering mechanisms are identical in size. Inside, the anvils have different design. So guys, the maximum temperature is 83 degrees. Let's continue with the Milwaukee. And the highest temperature on the Milwaukee is only 53 degrees Celsius, but the number of the screws, I think, was lower. After screwing 120 screws, more or less, plus another 50 in my previous video, I'm absolutely sure this one over here, the B3 version, won't burn as its predecessor. Good job, Parkside, you definitely made an improvement here. My humble opinion, after screwing 240 screws in total with the two machines, is that they are performing pretty equal. After checking in the little application, the smart battery of the Parkside is at 62%. No way to tell the exact charge on the red lithium battery, it's not a smart battery, but judging by the 3 bars over here, I might say it's about the same, 60-65% or so. I was doing some pre-tests before the actual footage with my torque tester when suddenly I got hit by a deja vu from the past. This is the Milwaukee One Key application. Let's connect to the power tool. Let's verify. This is the power tool. I want to show you that at level 4 there is no limitation on the power output of the machine. Everything is at maximum. Now, selecting level 4. You saw how the machine was interrupting. I'm not sure about the reason, but if I set it to level 3, let's say, no, it's interrupting also on level 3. Super strange. Let's do the exact same test with the Parkside. Again, no limitation set on the power tool or the smart battery. Everything is at maximum. But something else happened here, unfortunately. Really unpleasant. Yeah, It's completely dead. Damn. Oh, it's working. I don't see any damage done except for the excessive amount of grease. Probably the grease was smoking from the extreme temperature inside. I don't know. And this is my mistake. When I was examining the hammering mechanism, I've put some extra grease inside. After cleaning the grease, I do see some damage. The windings over here have melted. Some of the plastic insulation of the stator over here. The machine is reassembled and it's working. Let's do another run, but this time shorter. Yeah, it's working. Let's test again the Milwaukee. Same again. It's cool now, so I don't think this is some sort of a over temperature protection, maybe over current, but this is an impact tool. Let's test it again with some screws. Again at level 4. I'm pretty sure some of you, just like me, will be disappointed after watching this video, but definitely there's a great improvement in the quality of this Parkside Performance impact driver. As goes for the Milwaukee, I'm at least surprised, but those are machines, they break. What can I say in the end? Sorry guys, those are impact drivers, not impact wrenches, so you won't be able to use them for the lug nuts of your truck. Use them properly. That's all for this video. If you'd like it, thumbs up and subscribe.